Hi everyone and welcome to More Than Violin. In today's episode we are talking about something important, what not to do with a violin. While some of these tips might seem obvious, they're worth mentioning to keep your violin safe and in a great shape. So here are my 5 things you should never do with a violin. Number 1. Cleaning mistakes. It's fine to clean your violin strings with clean alcohol, but never use alcohol to clean the body of the violin. Alcohol can damage the varnish and ruin your instrument. Especially, don't use the same cloth for the strings and the violin. The best way is to have one cleaning cloth for the strings and other one for the body. Number 2. Temperature and humidity. Violins are very sensitive to temperature and humidity. Avoid leaving your violin in extreme conditions, like in a car on a cold day or near a heater or in a direct sunlight. Cold can make the wood break easily, while heat can bend it. Keep your violin in a room with humidity levels between 40 and 60%. Around 50% I think is perfect. And personally, I'm not a fan of playing outside in the freezing cold or under a direct summer sun. If you have an open air performance, stay always in a spot with a shadow. The weather can really damage your instrument. Number 3. Touching the bow hair. Never touch the bow hair with your fingers. Always wash your hands before practicing or handling your violin. Oils and dirt from your hands can damage the varnish and make the bow hair greasy, which reduces its grip on the strings. Remember, bow hair needs to stay completely dry for the rosin to work perfectly. Number 4. Unsafe storage. Don't leave your violin lying around on a bed, chair or floor. I'm seeing it more and more with my students that they're just putting it quickly on the floor just to get something out of the case or somewhere else. Or they're leaving it on the chair when they are going for a break. That's so super dangerous, and it's important to learn it straight away to put it in the case when you're done. It's easy for someone to accidentally sit or step on it, and that would be a disaster. Always pack your violin safely in its case when you're not playing. Number 5. Transporting your violin. When you're traveling, never put your violin case in the trunk of the car. If there's an accident and someone drives into your back of the car, it could end badly for your instrument. Instead, keep the case with you, either between your legs, next to you, or secure it with a seatbelt. Protect your violin as much as possible when you're traveling. So now, silly but true. Remember, your violin isn't a toy. Don't play tennis with it, use it as a drum, or drill holes in the carpet or shoes with your bow. Yes, I drilled holes in the carpet when I was a beginner and my teacher wasn't very happy about it. Violins are for music and not for experiments. I hope these tips help you take better care of your violin. If you have any questions or ideas to add, drop them in the comments below. I would love to hear from you. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell to stay updated with all the upcoming episodes of More Than Violin. Thanks for watching and keep making beautiful music. Bye.